big chick.
Work it, baby, work it.
Beyond the definition of thick. But I ain't ashamed of it, because most niggas I know are trying to make a piece of it. I catch me with my head low. And you won't see me rocking extra baggy clothes, because baby, these curves are made for show. You can drive fast, but baby, hit them turns slow. Because I got about 2-3 hours in my hourglass. And trust and believe you gonna want it to last, baby. I am built for comfort, so you wanna stay. Pick a nice spot downtown, daddy, and show you big old bits, and that ass real heavy. You ain't gotta like it, baby, you just stay ready to get some of this on a rock steady, because it's gonna move for a minute if you give it a smack. And if you close up in it, it's gonna win back. And it gets better, because I'm better. Plenty warm over here so you can take off that Cosby sweater. I don't count calories. You won't catch me on a diet. If the cake look good, God damn it, I'ma try it. Eat that cake, bitch. And I will not be afraid to eat an ice cream cone all in a skinny motherfucker's face. Let your man do a double take. See, everything over his niggas, baby, ain't none of it fake. I got a figure to maintain. Ultra feminine, abundant curves to my frame. I got cushion for the pushing, bounce to the ounce. Big girls are getting more numbers than you can count. So next time you see me go on and turn your head, but don't break your neck. I don't need your sympathy, but I will demand respect.
Yeah. Yeah.
Because we can be fat and beautiful at the same time. So don't try to turn your weight issues into mine.